Introducing Quantum's inspection software. Manual inspection management often leads to missed deadlines and costly violations, putting teams and compliance at risk. With Quantum Compliance's inspection management software, we can record, track, and resolve non-compliant findings all in one digital platform. Quantum's inspection management software follows a simple workflow starting with Setup. Design custom inspection forms and assign responsibilities based on role or expertise. Next, Conduct. Perform inspections using a mobile device. And last, Correct. Findings trigger corrective actions, which are tracked until verified and closed. First, we'll explore how to upload a custom inspection form, then we'll walk through the workflow. First, we'll walk through uploading a custom inspection form. In the Question Bank section, you'll enter the basic details of the inspection form you'd like to create. Click Save. Then, in the top right corner, click Import from File. Here, you'll upload the questions you'd like to appear on the inspection form. Now that you've created a question bank, we'll upload these questions to a form. Go to the Forms section. Enter the basic details of the inspection form. Here you can add the question bank we created in the first step to your custom inspection form. Click Save, and your form will be created in a matter of seconds. Now we'll walk through filling out an inspection form. First, entering the basic information about the inspection, like location and the type of inspection we'd like to conduct. Then, click the caret next to the selected inspection form to begin. In this example, we'll fill out a manufacturing inspection. Then, we'll fill out the results of our inspection. Mark any non-compliant findings. Add a photo and a note before clicking Add Finding. Now we'll fill out all the necessary details, such as a description. In this example, there is a spill in hallway 3. We'll also note the risk level, hazard category, and add any accompanying photos or documents. After we've added all the necessary information and completed the investigation, we'll begin assigning corrective actions. In this section, we can add a specific corrective action, in this case, clean spill, and determine where it came from. Now we will set the due date, root cause, and assign an employee to the corrective action. Once you click Save and submit the inspection report, the corrective action will appear in the Personal Task Center of the employee it has been assigned to. Now, we'll walk through correcting the non-compliant finding. If we are assigned a corrective action, it will show up in our Personal Task Center. In this case, we need to determine what caused the spill in hallway 3 and see that it gets fixed. From here, we can enter into the Findings and Corrective Actions section. We'll note the root cause, how we corrected the issue, the date the correction was completed, and add any photos or documents that verify our work. Once you click Save and Submit, our task transitions from the in-progress stage to the verification stage. Now, a manager will need to review and approve the corrective action. Let's take a look at that step now. After a corrective action has been submitted, a manager will need to approve its completion. If the corrective action has been completed incorrectly, the manager can either reject or postpone it. In either case, a new due date can be set, and it will be sent back to the employee assigned to it for another attempt. Once the corrective action has been completed correctly and verified by the manager, the report will now display as Case Closed. Smart software for a safer and more sustainable world. Choose Quantum Compliance.